family. I do fashion videos sometimes. I'm more about acting videos actually, let's start off there. I do acting Sunday videos, review Friday videos, vlog whenever I can. I used to call it Vlog Mondays, but I don't know if it's Tuesday or Wednesday now. Like, this YouTube has been a bit of a mess in terms of schedule uploading, but those are the videos I do, and then stuff in between, so like fashion and like different covers and whatever else. But yeah, so that's what my channel is currently about. And today for Acting Sundays, I am going to do a Prince of Egypt makeup look. So Prince of Egypt came out this year. West End is closed, so no one has seen it, but but Prince of Egypt came out this year, and I absolutely love Prince of Egypt, the movie. I've always loved it. It's DreamWorks, I'm guessing, but yeah, I've always loved it. It's a big favourite of mine, and I do want to see it on West End when it opens and everything again. So I'm just going to do a makeup inspired look of it. So yeah, here we go. So I found some pictures of the West End one. There's not a lot of the like female, so like close-up versions, but from what I can see, it's quite like an orangey sort of like because obviously it's Egypt, so I'm guessing they use quite warm colours, but like smoky, so like orangey vibes, but with a smoky like look coming out of it, and like quite a like bold, not a bold lip, but oh, Mama Bear, what she's texting me about. A vibrant lip, but not like a big bold red, but a vibrant lip, like a soft pink, maybe soft orange I've seen, other pictures I've seen. And yes, that's what I'm going to try and aim for. If it'll come out well, I hope. If it doesn't, then we wipe off all the makeup. So I'm going to use my Estee Lauder primer. And just to start it all off. Again, I don't know if you've seen my previous video, like a skincare video, but Ryan broke my big mirror, so I'm going to have to use a little makeup mirror. Well, when I invest in one, I will at some point when all this corona stuff is... I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera because you don't need to see that, but what I'm using is, I've got new eyebrow products. I'm using my Benefit Goof Proof brow pencil. Don't know if you can see that, don't really need to see it, and my 24-hour brow setter Benefit, which is really good. My best, these are like people say alright, these are the best eyebrow products. I was trying to do the cheaper versions, but I'm sorry, but they're just not as good. You need to invest in what you want, and I've invested in this. I got the minis because I don't like wear makeup every day, so I don't really need the big ones, but yeah, like you need to invest in what you want. So I've been trying to like do the don't get me wrong, NYX products are still very good, but these are just better. I'm just gonna say it, they're just better. So yeah, I'm gonna do my brows off camera. I've done my eyebrows. Like I just feel like before I used to have like put a bit of like black, oh I've got my eye pencil. Anyway, put some black eye pencil in between like the holy bits that I usually have, and with this product I could just like use the product and that's it. I don't have to mix and match. Like it's that strong enough to get on the skin, if you get what I mean. Whereas I feel like a lot of the other products that just draw on the brows, like the hairs, and they don't actually draw on the skin, so I'm always left with that gaping hole basically. So that's why I really like this product. So yeah, and it's just like more, like they say, it's more precise. The shape of the pencil's better, and yeah, I'm not gonna go on because I think people know how good Benefit is, so calm down. Anyway, and now I'm gonna go in. I feel like with the look, their face is quite plain. There's not a lot of like blush and everything like that from what I can see on the pictures. So the face is quite plain, apart from they focus on the eyes and the lips, obviously. So I'm gonna go in like with a light makeup look, like skin makeup look. So I'm gonna use my Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid, and I'm gonna go in with my Natural Collection foundation, but I use it as a concealer because I don't know, I just prefer it. So let's do that now, maestro. Oh, I've not put on Prince of Egypt music. What am I doing? Is this even a YouTube makeup look without the music for me, which I normally do? If you watch my previous ones, go watch my previous ones now. Love this song. Now we are not afraid. Miracles when you believe. It's hard to This song used to scare me in the movies, like absolutely freak me out. Like actually, now that I think about it, because I watched the movie young, like it gives me a bit of scare still. I used to be so gets all those like cockroaches and stuff to come on the firstborn child. I'm the firstborn child, like it just gave me the heebie-jeebies basically. I'm being very dramatic, but it did. Now I'm going to contour my face using my e.l.f. eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to go in with the darkest brown there is. Hi Diamond, you want to come into camera? I think you do because you're coming closer, baby girl. No, don't do that to my camera stand. Di. Hi Diamond, say hello to the camera. Hi. Hi Diamond, say hello. No? You're not going to say hello? Gosh, you've had his weight, Di. Right, this is my mum's cat, Diamond. Love her. She's not going to say hi. She's been a pain. Okay, no? Okay. I'll let you go. Now I'm going to go with my deep bronzer, deep glow bronzer, dark bronzer from Barry M. Really good if you just want a quick natural look, basically. So I'm going to use my e.l.f. one again, and I'm also going to use my Obsession Makeup Palette by Revolution, because I was talking about that smoky eye, orangey smoky eye they have, and I just, I didn't know there was a mirror in here, lol. Anyway, and I'm going to use this peachy one, I don't know if you can see it, this peachy one as the base, and then for the full look, I think I'm going to use this orangey one over here, like for the outer bits especially. Ooh. And actually, I'm going to use that as the base, then I'm going to put that on my crease, this one over here, on my crease. I'm doing this as I go along, by the way. And then add this one to darken it up a bit in the edges. Add this one as well to darken it up as well, just a bit above. So hopefully it creates like an orangey smoke, like a brownness to it. I hope anyway. We will see. Right, I don't think I was filming before. I'm not 100% sure because, yeah, I just don't know. Can't figure out my camera sometimes. So I've been trying to get like a really burnt orange. I'm not finding that right now. Like, I feel like it's very plain. I don't know. It's not what I was... Actually, when I go like that, it's not the worst. I feel like it could be more vivid. I'm going to have to just work with the palettes I have. I'll just use a dark brown to see if this will work. Right. Oh, I'm going to use my Eco London Skinny Liquid Black Liner, and that was upside down, but whatever. And I'm just going to like create, I feel like in Egyptian culture they have quite a long sort of like flick in a way, quite straight. So I'm going to try and do that with a little dot at the top. We'll see if it works. I've seen other makeup artists do this. I'm not a makeup artist, but I'm going to try. Might have to do this a bit off camera. La 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 la. Does that look silly? No, I don't think it does. It's a bit big, but I am using I'm using Benefit Bang mascara, by the way, but I am going to use a bit of it for that dot, because I feel like the liner's not really working. I'm going to place it a bit higher as well. Yeah, that's why I think it needs to be like that. And then I'm going to use my Benefit Bang Bad Girl mascara thing. Like, right, look at those lashes. So quickly makes it so full and curly. I love it. Love it. I'm actually liking this look. It's not bad. It's not bad. The dot's a bit weird, but let's just roll with it for now. I am now going to use my Sleek blusher. One of the blessed one of the best blushers I've used. I'm just going to go in with this colour here. Just very plain, a plain colour, like, but with some vibrance to it. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Master Strobing Liquid, which is just a highlighter, a creamy highlighter. And a little goes a long way. Like, I only use like a little dab and I put it on most places. With the big boys now. Now, lastly, I'm going to go in with these two colours. My MAC Urban Lip Pencil, because, I don't know, maybe they'll go well. And my Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon, which I got at an event of theirs. So yeah, let's see if these two will go well, and hopefully it'll bring out the vibe of the lip. This is the finished makeup look. Okay, I'm digging it. I feel like I've done those dots a bit better, but you know, I tried. Like, it's not bad. I feel like the orange here really complements the orange in my eyes. So yeah, I'm happy with it. Let me go change into my outfit now. This is the finished makeup look and I'm happy with it. I'm not mad at it. I'm not ecstatic about it, but I'm happy with it. I feel like it's Egyptian-esque of Prince of Egypt. Yeah, I'm happy with it, and I just sort of looked at stuff that she was wearing and this is the closest I could get to it, so here it is. Well guys, thank you for watching. Stay safe obviously, and I hope you enjoyed the video. A bit of light content for, well, if you don't want to keep talking about the corona. Anyway, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on my next video. Peace. Fingers down my side.